So it's been, let me see, exactly or approximately 1 month since we've last updated a video. I don't know why I feel like I'm a little bit nervous. I don't know why I shouldn't be nervous. I haven't been in front of the camera for a while. You guys might be wondering, like, why is Kem alone? Like, why is Kem alone? I am back in Jamaica, but I'm back on Jamaican soil, in the back of country. Yeah, Alex is in Sweden, as you would have expected. Yes, I've been home for a couple days now, and it feels so weird. Like, it felt like time just went pretty fast while I was in Sweden. For one, the days there are really short. Maybe that's why. It's kind of challenging for me to get up early in the mornings, because when it's the morning it's dark, so it's in my mind, the darkness make it feels as if it's night for me, because it's a difference here in Jamaica. You know, when it's morning, it's bright outside as early as 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock in Sweden is dark as midnight during the winter, though, of course. But it started to get bright again now in January, so now it gets dark at around 3 4. I mean, it's not much difference, but it still matters. Yeah, and this winter there has been a weird one, like in the Stockholm area. So we had, I think it was like maybe 3 times I saw it snow since I was there. So it's been really just dark, gray, cold. It's but no snow. I don't know what it is this year, but anyhow. So you guys may be wondering, like, why haven't we posted much videos after our last one? And the simple answer to that is, mostly from Alex's side, he has been really busy the past month with school. Well, the past 3 months actually, the whole time since I've been there, but the last month here in January was the busiest because that was his last month in university. So he had to finish projects, assignments, and just prepare all that. So we didn't have time really to vlog. He was telling me, like, oh, Kem, you can just vlog for us while we're there. But I mean, I could have, but it didn't feel right knowing that we are a couple's channel. I didn't want to leave him out. I just didn't feel like okay, because I mean, it's the channel is called Kem and Alex. So I don't want it to be just Kem. But I mean, when we are apart though, it will be mostly me, because he's not so, I don't know, like how I can just sit here and just talk to a camera like someone is actually there. He doesn't feel so comfortable with that. I think that's just the Swedish side of him. So, and I think it can be more interesting while we're apart, to show you a bit more of life here in Jamaica than it is in Sweden. So yeah, we just thought, like, okay, I'm just gonna do the channel while I'm here. Whenever I can show you things, I will. When I'm alone, I'm a house rat. It just doesn't give me much to just go out on my own and just vlog, and there isn't much to do for me personally as a one person, you know. So when I'm in Jamaica, I think the most that you'll get to see is like if me and my family are out, and I can show you a little of the Jamaican culture and how we live life here. I don't know, I just woke up this morning and I felt like, okay, I need to just update you guys on what's going on. When will I see Alex again? Okay, that is not written in stone right now, but if Alex doesn't come by the end of February to the like second week of March. I don't think he'll be coming to Jamaica for a long time. And for me, I will go back there in a couple months. We haven't set a specific date yet, but it will be in a couple months. Until then, you guys just have to hang with me and keep me company, because right now you guys are my company. Weirdly, when you're in a long distance relationship, like, apart from communicating properly, the main thing with a relationship is to plan. So because I've just been home a couple days, we haven't dived right into planning yet, but we are going to do that over the next couple weeks, to just put a set date, like when he's probably gonna come here and when I will go there. I know right now Alex is really sad that he can't be here. It's like he would choose Jamaica over Sweden any day, and that guy is like freaking Jamaican. I don't understand, like, but I mean, we just have to be strong. And another thing is that probably you're wondering why I didn't update or make a vlog when I was coming home. Oh, it's much easier to make a vlog when I'm going to see him instead of when I'm coming home, because we are a mess. I cry, like, even thinking about it right now, I'm getting a little bit emotional. But it's not easy when you have to tell the love of your life goodbye for a couple months, and sometimes not knowing how long those months will be. My vlog when I was going there, I told you that normally it's not more than 2 or 3 months that we are apart. Some of you might say, but 2 or 3 months is nothing, Kem, like, relax, it goes by fast. When you're in a relationship like this, like, every day feels like a year. Trust me, it feels like a year. Yeah, it goes fast for those who are watching from the sideline, but when you're actually in the situation, it just feels like an eternity until at least a week or month passes. But I'm trying to stay hopeful. It's not something that one gets used to, you know. Every time we say goodbye, it feels like it's the first time we're saying goodbye. It always gets easier after like a month has passed, and a month haven't passed yet. Long distance relationship is really hard. That's the least I can say. If you're in a long distance relationship, like, you know what I'm talking about. I think probably you can feel with me. And also, it doesn't mean that just because Alex and I are apart, you won't get to see him in the vlogs. I mean, we have a phone for a reason, so maybe we could video call and make him a part of it. And that being said, since I'm alone now, I want you guys to comment like what you think my next video should be about here in Jamaica. As a matter of fact, there was one video that we wanted to do but didn't get to, and that was how we met, because so many of you have been asking, and it was supposed to be our next video, but as I said, it didn't get to work out. And we're really sorry for that. That doesn't mean it won't come though. You guys will know how we met. Besides, in our first video or question and answer, we did hint about how we met a little. So if you guys want to just go back to that video, I can put it in a card, and I don't know if it's on this side or on that side, but I'll put it there and you guys can click on that. And there's a question that asked how did we meet, and we said so in the future we'll do a longer video, just like a whole video dedicated to it. And yeah, so for now you guys can just watch that one and you have an idea of how we met. So yeah, just comment what you think my next video should be, whether if you want to know me personally, a question and answer, or whatever you think. Maybe there's something in Jamaica you want to know about or see. Let me know, because I need to get the ball rolling with you guys. And Until then, I'll see you in the next video, guys.